In this video, I will show you how to refund a Steam game. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your name up here where it says manage account, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto account details. What that's going to do is take you to your account details page. From here, come up to the top, the store and purchase history section, and you're going to see a button which says view purchase history. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, which is going to show all your previously purchased games and gift cards and wallet credit and things like that on Steam. Now from here, what you want to do is select the game that you want to refund. So for example, I'm going to take this game here, and what you want to do is click onto the game, and that's going to take you across to a Steam support page. From here, if you look, you're going to see in this section where it says what issue are you having with this purchase, there is an option which says I would like a refund. Give that a click, it's going to take you to a screen like this, and then click onto the button which says I'd like to request a refund. Now at this point it's going to check the refund eligibility to see if you would be entitled to a refund. You can still put through a request, but generally they're only going to give you a refund if you've played the game for less than 2 hours and you've purchased it within the past 2 weeks. However, as mentioned, this does not stop you putting forward a request for a refund. Maybe you've got a different reason, like you've changed your computer and the game no longer runs on your computer. So what you want to do at this point is just scroll down, and you're going to see an option to tell us why you would like a refund. So you would select your reason from the drop down box here. For example, if it won't start, or if you've purchased it by accident, something like that, just select your reason from here, and you can add some additional notes if you want to. Now there is a link here where you can read further about their refund policy, but basically once you've done that, you want to come down, click submit request at the bottom, and generally within a few hours you're going to get an email from Steam to the email address which can be down here, and they're going to tell you basically if you're going to be eligible for a refund or not. How the refund is processed depends on how you paid for the game. So for example, you can see this particular game I paid from my Steam wallet. So you can see in this case, if I was to put forward a refund, that the total cost will be refunded to my Steam wallet. If you paid with PayPal, it's going to be PayPal, and so on and so forth. So that is how to refund a game on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.